bothata bo ntisitseng kwano ke maoto ke gore na a dule blisters ka tasana le mmele otlhe o dule di-blister.
O na le mathata a go sa tsamaya through bolwetse jo re sa bo itseng gore ke.
Yes, wonderful people. Man of God has already prophesied that there's going to be a time and a season where ailments such as this that are being presented, where doctors cannot even tell what the genesis is coming. And we are in this era as prophesied by the able servant of God. Difficulty in walking, a presentation of a case. You can see the blisters and the sores. Point of contact. This gentleman could not walk at all. If those hands are for the miracle working God, are you seeing what is happening on the screen of your television?
Thank you, Jesus. I'm here. Ka khona ithatswetsa malobanyana ka wiki ka hagare ga beke ne ke tirela wa shene.
Can you stamp your feet on the ground and show us that you're not feeling any pain as you're doing that?
I can walk with no difficulties. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.
The grace of God is sufficient for you.